Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Suli and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my matcha cold latte. This is the matcha that I was able to find. Walmart for about $6. And they say that you should use the ceremonial grade, that one's a better quality. So that's the one I got. Next, I'm gonna pour my matcha into my bowl. And there you have your matcha iced latte. It is very good. I love matcha. And I hope you guys like this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.